Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make game passes on Roblox. So just open the Chrome browser, go to Roblox website, just go to now click on continue in browser. Now click on three dots, select the desktop site, click on create option. So when you click, it will take you to the dashboard. So this is our by default experience. Just click on it. So since due to new update, the interface has changed completely. So now you have to click on this menu option and click on this associate items. So you will find passes here. Just click on passes option here, and now you have to click on this create a pass. So basically now you can create a pass here. So that's how you can reach the place where you can create a game pass for the Roblox. Now just click on upload image to upload image. Now here you have to name the game pass, and here you can give the description. And after doing filling all the form, now you have to click on this create pass. So let's first of all upload. Just name the game pass, and now you can give the description for the game pass. Now just click on this create pass option. So when you click on it, your game pass will be listed here. So right now you can see next to the game pass name you will see off sale. So to enable the sale for the game pass, just click on the game pass again. Now since there you can see this is in review, so just click on the menu option and you will find here sales option. So usually before we have a configure button to configure the game pass, but here you can go to the menu from this side and set up for the sales. So just enable the sale item for sale, and now give the price in Robux for the game pass. So I'm gonna make it 30 Robux, and you will get 21 of it, 70% of it. Now just click on save changes. So now just go back to the please donate game and just put it on a stand, and you will be able to list your game pass on stand. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching out.